Hi, I'm Kristen, the Boston Fashionista, and I'm here with Liz from Sells & Co. to talk about 3 holiday looks that you can wear this upcoming season. Liz, we're going to start off with day to night.
We are. So we have this great dress paired with a sweater jacket, which is great for daytime, and then you just shed it to go into cocktail or a party. And this dress is beautiful with a, just an opaque tight. And during the day you can wear it with a flat boot, and at night you can throw a stiletto on and you're good to go.
Perfect. Yeah, I can totally see wearing this to class or to work. Mm-hmm. And then when you get to the party, you just toss off the sweater jacket.
Yeah.
And you're done, and you look great.
Exactly. The next look I have is a little bit more edgy. It's just a great basic sequin dress, which is perfect for any holiday occasion.
Mm-hmm. Little sheer in the back,
exactly,
very sexy.
Which is beautiful. And then if you want to sort of give it a little bit more of a grunge or edgy look, you just throw on a leather vest and some bangles, and you can do it, with either a pump or a booty,
or some booties,
which is great. And that's sort
great.
of that.
You can have that great holiday sequin dress,
exactly,
and then make it a little bit more edgy.
Multiple ways. Mm-hmm.
Cool. And then we've got our last look here.
Yep, which is just a great classic silk blouse, which can be tied in a bow. You can keep it hanging if you want to show your neckline. And
It's
then
sexy without being
over
really
sexy.
Yeah.
And then it's just paired with a great black skinny jean with the detailing, and then a black clutch. And then you're good to go to any event, party, or
I think jeans and a blouse are a way to feel really comfortable
Most
when you're at a party, but still really look festive.
Exactly.
Great. Liz, this is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for coming.
You can find all of these looks at Sells & Co. at 116 Newbury Street in Boston or at her Winchester store.
Yeah.
And you can also learn more at www.sellsandco.com. Thanks.
Thanks.